Hi, why your subconscious mind believes everything you tell it. I'm going to explain according to neuroscience, neuroplasticity here on these whiteboards about this. Why your subconscious mind believes what you tell it. Why? Be here. Let's say this circle represents our brain. Here in our brain, we have billions of brain cells or neurons. In these brain cells, we have impregnated a lot of information about ourselves, about others, about environment, lots of information. And now, these data in our consciousness, in our subconscious mind, it controls our thinking. But why your subconscious mind accepts what you tell? The reason is because your brain has the capacity and ability to create new brain cells as you say to yourself or you hear from others and believe it and accept it. If you do so, you're creating new brain cells. Let me give you an example. When you were a child, you didn't know even how to eat. Your mom told you, she taught you how to eat, she taught you the basic things. At that moment, before that, you had no brain cells about how to eat, what's your name. Your brain, in fact, in your brain, you had no data. But as you saw, you created new brain cells here. Because it's completely open and you can, till now, you have heard, every day you hear anything from others, from yourself, you accept them. Either you accept or reject. If you accept any idea, either positive or negative, either lie or a truth, it's going to record it here in your brain as a new brain cell or neuron, and they are going to connect together and create neural pathways, and they are going to control your thoughts, the way you think. So here is the why your subconscious mind believes whatever you tell, because your subconscious mind is your brain. Whatever you accept, learn, experience, you're creating a new brain cells in your brain. That's all. But what is the brain hack here? The brain hack is that now you have the power to command any positive ideas that you want to yourself, to create new brain cells. To do what? To create it in your reality, not by magic or voodoo, by science, by neuroscience and neuroplasticity. So here, based on the neuroplasticity, you have the power to change your brain by suggesting new ideas to yourself. Also, you can suggest from yourself to yourself a new ideas or positive ideas. You can do this. And if you don't do this, your current paradigm or memory is going to suggest to you new thoughts or old thoughts that you thought yesterday also. And it will keep you stuck. If you want to change your own brain or your subconscious mind, you have to study about yourself, check all our videos, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. If you find this video really good, share it with other people also, and subscribe the channel, and be happy. I will meet you in the next videos.